Blind-Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist, or BCA, uses radar sensors to detect vehicles that are to your side or just behind you. It also employs a camera on the windshield to detect lane markers in front of you, so it knows your position. If it detects that a collision is possible, it can intervene to reduce the risk or to make the impact less severe. To activate the system, select Setup. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Blind Spot Safety. You can then choose between Active Assist, Warning Only, and Off. Active Assist sounds a warning, blinks a warning light in the outside mirror, vibrates the steering wheel, and may apply the brakes if a collision is possible with a vehicle in your blind spot. For it to work, you must be traveling over 40 miles per hour and the system must detect lane markers on both sides of you. When it intervenes, Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist engages your vehicle's electronic stability control system. The system applies brakes to the front wheel in the direction opposite to the collision that is expected to help keep you in your lane. If this happens, you'll see an alert on the LCD display. If you choose Warning Only, the system will provide an audible alert, blink a warning light in the outside mirror, and vibrate the steering wheel. The system will not intervene. Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist also operates at low speeds when you are attempting to depart areas such as a parking spot. If it detects an approaching vehicle when you are departing, the system sounds a warning, blinks a warning light in the outside mirror, vibrates the steering wheel, and may apply braking to avoid a collision. Departure warning is only possible when your vehicle speed is below 2 miles per hour and the approaching vehicle speed is above 3 miles per hour. Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist may not always detect a possible collision, especially on curves or slopes where the lanes are at different heights or when traffic is merging or dividing. Please see your owner's manual for a complete list of these types of situations. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for information on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist system. The driver should hold the responsibility to control the vehicle. Do not solely depend on the Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist system. Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist system is a valuable driver's tool, but it is no substitute for alert driving. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.